Hi, I'm John, and let me give you a run through of our two lifts here at our showroom at Mayfield West at HIA. Our first lift is the compass lift. This compass lift is perfect for new builds. You can also install this lift into existing builds as well, and it's perfect for a brick veneer home. I'll give you a quick demonstration now. Our other lift here at the showroom at HIA is our iconic lift. The lift we have installed here is a mid-size lift. This lift is also a running demo model. So you can get into the lift, you can ride in the lift, you can touch it, you can feel it, and you can see the performance of this particular lift. We look forward for you guys to come to the showroom here at HIA and experience the Velocity home lifts.